Right, we're going to work out this one here, and you can see from here we've got the alternate segment theorem. It's like a horn or a bow tie, if you like. So these two angles are the same, and then these two match. And we can see something similar over here. If I just highlight it for you, got the bow tie. We can safely say that that's 40, this is going to be 40. Then how are we going to work out this one? Let's have a look. Well, the clue is over here really, because I've already put this theorem over here, so you might have some idea as to what we're going to do. Here at this point, all 4 points lie on the edge of the circle, so we can use the cyclic quadrilateral theorem. Then we can make use of this angle, because that's not just there to just decorate this diagram. It's going to be useful. We can say opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. You can put that as 100. That makes 180. But then, how are we going to approach this angle? You can see a triangle over here, but we know nothing about this one. Now I've deliberately left something out, which I believe makes it impossible to work at this one. Now if you've got an answer for this, if you've paused the video already, got some number for this, it might be wrong, due to wrong assumptions. But what I will do is put some arrows over here. So these two lines are now parallel. So what topic are we discussing now? Angles in parallel lines. We're talking about alternate angles, corresponding angles, you know, the Z's and F angles. I can see, let's try a different colour. I can see a Z over here. That's already established as 40, so that means this is going to be 40. Alternate angles, Z angles. Now it becomes very easy. We've got a triangle over here, angles in a triangle at 180. Obviously that's going to be 40. But if you had said that that's 40 because that is 40 or because that is 40, it's just a coincidence. It's not an explanation. You can't say that is 40 because that is 40. That is not an explanation. Right, here's the explanation as to why this is 40 degrees. Angle BCD, talking about the middle one here, is 40 degrees because it's an alternate angle. This one is alternate to this. Then you've identified that angles in a triangle add to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle CBD, this one here, is equal to 40 degrees. Right, for those people who think, right, this is 40, therefore this is going to be 40, so if this was 70, that would be 70, if that was an elephant, that would be an elephant. Now, I'm just going to prove this to you right now. Right, what if this was, we started off with 50 here, obviously that would be 50. I'll keep that as it is. And this being a Z angle, alternate angle, and it is an alternate angle because these two lines signify as being parallel, therefore you can start thinking about alternate angles. This is 50, then therefore this is 50. Angles in a triangle add up to 180. 100 plus 50 plus something to me 180. That would be 30. But look now, that is not the same, is it? Right. Never assume that you're going to get the answer straight away. Sometimes you'll have to look for those theorems to work for you in the diagram. Sometimes you'll get it straight away, and sometimes you have to really think hard and keep looking at it until things become clearer. Sometimes it can happen straight away, and sometimes it could take some time.